Hey guys, my name is Reinhard. I'm from Germany, work 2 GmbH. I'm coming up as a distributor the 1st of September now, and just being with Revo since 2015 as a sub-dealer, flashing cars as my side job, and now I'm as a full-time business with 7 employees doing very cool stuff. I was hitting the VW 2018 with a cool project with VW on the GTI French skies, and we rocked it really. Last year we've been at the show with Revo together, and now I am here driving up the 1400 kilometers in one way, doing in 16 hours, and enjoy the show edition 38. I swapped my Tiguan, my old one, to the Passat because I need more space. I want to do more power on it, and yeah, we are here now. I started with the stage 1 tune 1 week after I bought it, and yeah, a few weeks later air suspension, then a big brake kit in front, but it wasn't the one I want to. Performance was less, so we swapped to the ceramic ones. The car goes to stage 2. We are waiting for exhaust system close to the VW meeting, and yes, there was an exhaust system. I run, I think, 1 week just stage 2, swapped to stage 3 with a upgraded turbocharger IS38, and now we are about 430 horsepower, 590 Newton meters of torque, EC corrected, and it's crazy. It's a cool car, really. As a daily, I drove more than 20,000 kilometers in 5 months, and yeah, I'm really happy about it. Just small bits and bytes to change, but in total it's a perfect car for me. So in the interior it's close to perfect, but a little bit's missing, like the shifting pedal extensions or the interior rings on the climate control, but it's still stock, so I keep it simple here. It's not usual to lower a Passat all-track, but we should want to show the big difference between a really high all-track and the low ones. So let's pop the hood. Show you the bits and bytes underneath. As you can see, it's a full Revo spec car. Carbon fiber front panel, lids, hose, inlet. We got the boost pipes already in, intercooler, the Arteon 2019 engine cover. So the people call me godfather of lowness in Germany, and I need to get a car that I can lower much as I can, so we choose our very own air suspension on this car, lowered the car 180 mil in the rear and 150 mil in the front, and it looks crazy awesome.